To read a graduate, notice that you have two sides. At the bottom, one says cc's, and at the bottom of the other column, it says ounces. In healthcare, you're always reading the side that says cc's, or you could also call those mLs or milliliters. At the bottom, you start with 50 cc's, then you have a short mark, and over that you have 100. Each short mark stands for 25 cc's. So if this is 50, 50 plus 25 would be 75. 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, and so forth up to the top of the graduate. Most of your graduates will hold somewhere around 1200 cc's. But the important thing when you're reading your graduate is to make sure that you read the side with your cc's or mLs, and that when you record your liquid, that you record it in cc's or mLs.